Good morning, everybody. I want to give you a quick look at our hotel room in Tokyo. This is at the Hotel Gracery or the Godzilla Hotel. It's not really anything special, but it's nice, it's clean. There is enough space. It is a little bit small, but let me show you the really quick room here. First of all, it is messy, so this right here is the door. Good locks. They provide umbrellas. As you come in, you have the toileting area along with the bidet stuff. Full-length mirror, thermostat. You've got this is the shower room. This entire room is the shower. I like the products that they actually have too. But you've got a shower up here. The drain is right here in the floor, but you do have bathtub. As you come in, you've got the sink area. Plenty of things there. Decent space for this size room. Small closet. Does have an ironing board. You've got slippers that actually come with the room. And then I'm assuming that's like a steamer or something. Over here you've got a little icebox chiller. Underneath there you've got a safe. It is a flat safe. You could probably get a laptop in there, I think. Television, 2 chairs, which I didn't think we would have enough space for that. You've got 2 twin beds. Y'all, I must say, these beds are hard. When I say hard, these beds are unusually hard. However, I slept like a rock last night because I was so tired. Okay, finish the room. Again, you can see they all messed up. All messed up because we used them. I'm using this space in between the bed to put my suitcase. You've got some outlet over there with a USB-A port. You've got outlets over here. And then, of course, you've got this window here. It's a smallish window. I've seen people complain online about it, but you get some freaking amazing views of the city. We have a fairly clear day today. So everybody, that right there is a quick look at our double room. I think it's a double superior. I'm not sure exactly what it was. It ran for about, I'm thinking 130 to 170 a night. I can't remember, but it was somewhere around that. I don't think it was anything more than 170, but it's comfortable. It's in a bustling place. I've yet to actually go outside today, but coming in here last night, it was bustling. They had food trucks downstairs. Everything you could possibly want is right next to the hotel. So anyway, this is a quick look at the Hotel Gracery. We're staying here for about 3 nights, and I think it's a good choice.